To get a refund on Sweetgreen, it's actually pretty simple. You want to simply go to any browser of your choice. I'm using Safari over here. And here at the search bar at the bottom of your screen, simply tap on it and you want to type in Sweetgreen refund policy. And you'll see the official Sweetgreen website over here. Simply tap on it. And here are the generally frequently asked questions. You can find your question or your answers over here too. However, if you want to directly contact to the support team, you want to simply tap on contact. To see the official chats over here, you want to address your problem over here and it will give you solutions. You want to simply ask how to get a refund over here and it will tell you all the process that you need to follow in order to get a refund. Here it will ask for your information, so you can simply tell your informations to it and it will redirect and it will direct you to refund your payment. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.